Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today, we'll be solving this question, which states that express the product as a sum or difference. So these are the two products. So solution. Now these two products will be expressed as a sum or difference using factor formula. So now, there are four factor formulas. You will find the one that has sin and sin as the product. So now, the one that has sin and sin is given by cos x minus cos y equals to minus 2 sin x plus y over 2 sin x minus y over 2. This is the factor formula that has sin and sin as product. There are others, there are three more. So now we will rearrange this. This becomes 1 over this minus 1 over 2 cos x minus cos y equals to sin x plus y over 2 sin x minus y over 2. Now this is our equation 1. So since this is now product and product, we'll express this also in form of this. So it will become 1 over 2 cos x minus cos y equals to sin 7t sin 3t. Now this becomes our equation 2. Now we will relate equation 1 and 2. You know, this and this will cancel if you equate them. So this will be equal to this. So it will be sin x plus y over 2 sin x minus y over 2 equals to sin 7t sin 3t. Now from this expression, you can infer that this is equal to this and this is equal to this. So x plus y over 2 will be equal to 7t and x minus y over 2 is equal to 3t. So now this becomes x plus y equals to 14t. This becomes x minus y equals to 6t. So these two simultaneous equations, we can easily solve them using elimination method. So now let's add them first to eliminate y. So if we add these two, this becomes 2x, y and negative y will go. So it's equal to 20t. So x equals to 10t. Then we subtract them to eliminate x. So this becomes y minus y is 2y equals to this minus this is 8. So 8t. So this becomes y equals to 40. That you divide both sides by 2 here. You divide both sides by 2 here. So now we can substitute x and y back in equation 2 here. So this becomes negative half cos 10t. X is now 10t. Minus cos 40, which representing y, is equals to sin 7t sin 3t. So now here is the answer. Here is the difference. Now this one is a difference. So we have expressed this product in terms of a difference. and gives the final answer. So now let's move to the second part. So the second part. So now you find the factor formula that has cos and cos multiplying together. So the factor formula is this: cos x plus cos y equals to 2 cos x plus y over 2 cos x minus y over 2. So now let's rearrange this. This becomes 1 over 2 cos x plus cos y equals to cos x plus y over 2 cos x minus y over 2. So this is equation 1. Now this cos and cos, this is also in cos and cos, so we can express it in this form. So it becomes half cos x plus cos y equals to cos 6t cos minus 40. So this is equation 2. Now we will equate equation 1 and 2. So this and this will cancel. Then this becomes cos x plus y over 2 cos x minus y over 2 equals to cos 6t cos minus 4t. Well, now from this equation, you know that this is equals to this and this is equals to this. So this will be x plus y over 2 is equals to 6t, and x minus y over 2 is equals to minus 40. So this one, x plus y will be equals to 12t, and x minus y will be equal to negative 8t. Now solving these two simultaneous equations using elimination method, we add them first to eliminate one of the variables. It becomes 2x equal to 4. So x now is equal to 2 when you divide both sides. But 2x is equal to 40 since there is t. Then x dividing both sides by 2, x equals to 2t. Then this one, we subtract both sides to eliminate the other variable. So if you subtract both sides, x will cancel. It will become 2y equals to what? 20t. So dividing both sides by 2, y is equal to 10t. So this is the two x and y. Then we'll substitute this x and y back in equation 2. This is equation 2. So we'll put x and y inside. It becomes half cos 2t, half cos 2t plus cos what? Cos 10t, since y is now 10t and 2t is now x. Cos 10t equals to what? Cos 6t cos negative 40. So this is the final answer. This is the final answer after you substitute x and y into equation 2. So I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email written in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.